Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, 5C5D key add. This video takes the addition of VW5C Magotan key as an example. Connect the ACDP to the car OBD interface using the OBD cable. Turn on the ignition and light the cluster. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click VW. Click VW MQB-IMMO-ODO. Click MQB-49-IMMO5C5D. Click OBD Identify Info. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify car info, number of keys, key ID, and take screenshots to save. Click Continue. View Identify Info, click OK. Click on PCF Help. Connect PCF key to ACDP properly. Put the original key into the PCF. Click PCF Read Key Info. If the software prompts that the PCF key adapter version is low, please upgrade. Please return to the main menu. Click Special Function. Click Adapter Upgrade. Click PCF Key Upgrade. Continue with the next step after completing the upgrade. Click Continue. Verify the identified original key info and key ID, and take a screenshot to save. Click Continue. Confirm if the key supports ICP. Click OK. Disassemble the original key and the new key. Click ICP plus OBD Add Key. Click Help. View Key Type. This video takes the VW5C Magotan as an example. Click VW5C Magotan. Click Help. Connect the original keyboard to the interface board and ACDP properly. Click Step 1, ICP Read Work Key. Click Continue. View Key Info. Click Continue. Click OK, save original key data. Please note to back up the file's path, date, time, key ID. The file name should end with bin. Click OK. View IMMO info. If necessary, please take a screenshot and save it, or copy the CS code for backup. Click OK. Read key data finish. Click OK. Replace the original working key plate with the original blank or original used locked key plate. Click Step 2, ICP Write New Key. Click Continue. Check the key info and confirm if ICP is supported. Support, please click to continue. Click OK, select original key data. Based on the date, time, key ID, select the original car file ending in bin. Check if it is the original car info. Click Continue. Click Continue. Make dealer key finish. Click OK. To ensure that the vehicle can be programmed normally in the future, suggest modifying the new key ID. Change the new key ID to the lost key ID. This step is not mandatory. Click Special Function. Click ICP Modify Key ID. Click Continue. Click Continue. View the key ID in the OBD information saved in the previous screenshot and the key ID read by the PCF adapter. Confirm the lost key ID. Then delete the current ID and enter the lost key ID. Remember not to modify to work key ID. Click OK. Click Continue. Change key ID finish. Click OK. Back to previous level. Disconnect from the interface board. Connect the ACDP to the car OBD interface. Restore the original car and new key shell, and install the key battery. Turn on the ignition and light the cluster, then opening the hood. Click Step 3, OBD Learn Key. Click Continue. Check if the vehicle information and key quantity are correct. Click Continue. Select to load ORIG car key data. Click Continue. Click OK, select original key data. Based on the date, time, key ID, Select the original car file ending in bin. Check if it is the original car info. Click Continue. This video takes learning 2 keys as an example. Delete the number, then enter the number 2 and click Continue. Have all the keys ready. The keys that are not learned will not be able to start up the car. Click Continue. Put the first key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. Instrument display 1 to 2. The number of key learned 1 indicates that the first key matching is complete. Put the second key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. Instrument display 2 to 2 indicates that the new key matching is complete. Waiting for exit key learning. Complete the learning of both keys. Click OK. Verify if the original key and new keys function properly. Thank you for watching.